Howdy folks, Justin Miller here, your #1 sales consultant here at Mountaineer RV and Outdoor Center, located in beautiful Jane Lou, West Virginia, located off exit 105, off of I-79, just 15 minutes south of Clarksburg, West Virginia. Today I'd like to take a few minutes to take you around and show you a beautiful camper that we just got in. It's the Salem Hemisphere 35RE Elite Series. Now this is the camper that Joe and Gina were actually taking up and showing at the expo. Coming in at 42 foot long, this camper sleeps 4 people. Coming in a dry weight of 12,135 pounds. So let's go around here a little bit and I'll show you the camper. If you take a look here, one nice feature about this unit is it actually has the indoor heated valves with your indoor city water, fresh water, and your black tank flushes. Also, it has automatic 6-point leveling system. So you come in, hit a button, the camper will level itself. Come around to the door side, take a look. Here in the very front, you have your nice, large pass-through storage. 29 feet of awning space. This camper comes standard with a 200-watt solar package with a 1200-watt inverter. You have the nice LED lighting outside, outdoor speakers. Something special here to show you. So for all you that like to entertain outside, got your nice big flat screen and a beautiful outdoor kitchen. You have your nice refrigerator, sink, and a flat iron griddle top. So for all those nice warm summer days you want to come out and do a little cooking, this camper will fit you nicely. Now let's take a walk inside and see what we got. So as you walk through, you see you got the 32-inch residential door. All of your controls will be right here as soon as you walk in. All your slide controls, lighting. You have a nice large pantry. A residential 20 square foot refrigerator. A 3-burner stovetop. You get the large oven and a residential microwave. Now what makes this camper so special is you have 32 square feet of countertop space. All kinds of extra storage, plenty of room for cooking, plenty of room to entertain. If you want to come in and you want to have extra people over, you have plenty of room to come in, sit, and enjoy your camper. You have a 55-inch TV, your sound bar, and then you have the electric fireplace. If it's 30, 40 degrees outside, this will actually heat your camper. We're not wasting any of your LP. Your Thomas Paine furniture, this couch will actually fold out into a full-size bed. It is a trifold. Storage on both sides. Dual recliners. You have storage in the middle where you can, hide your remotes, or you can actually plug in and charge your cell phones. These recliners will almost fully lay flat where you can actually sleep on these. Super, super comfortable. Now let's walk up toward the master bedroom. So in your master, it comes standard with the king-size bed. If you look underneath your bed, you also have plenty of storage underneath. You have a nice dresser, TV backer board where you can always hang your TVs. Full washer-dryer preps inside of your closet with the king Wi-Fi. So your camper is already set up and ready if you want to hook up to the campsite's Wi-Fi and run your camper off of the Wi-Fi. I'll squeeze by you here. So your master bath, you have a residential shower, porcelain toilet, the stainless sinks, and all kinds of linen closet space. Folks, these campers are absolutely beautiful. The Salem Hemisphere Elite Series is a one-of-a-kind unit. The 35RE is new for 2023. If you'd like to take a look, give us a call. Come down and see me. My name's Justin Miller. I'd be glad to help you.